Okay. I'm just gonna be a bit busy on typing. You know. Time for some fun. No, frick. Oh shoot, I forgot about that. Finally, I'm in a good spot. Why do I look so goofy? What should I have? Okay, time for a prepare. I'm higher than everybody. Can I just spam it? Okay, this is gonna be a long video. But hey, I'm just gonna make it easier. Wait, which is... Can you all stop? Okay, fix the problem. It was like something like, okay, let me just guess with him. Yeah. Let me show my moves. Okay, how should I have? Wait, I gotta do something. Wait. Okay, checked up. Then send. I was like, what? I just gotta do this to my friend. You salute. Ow. I heard there's this like random secret where you can just go down here. Oh shoot, I'm gonna die. I'm safe, never mind. Oh frick, I went the wrong way. The secret isn't here. I took it already. Oh frick, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Wrong game. Get me. Never mind. What the crap? Why is it gotta be this loud? I'm not the most. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Let me handle some guys over here. Can you guys excuse me for a second? Oh shoot, I forget about that. Oh, at least I can come back. Oh, and let me handle some chaos. You met what I'm in. Oh, frick. Is it the same lobby? Ah, my capper flipped. No worry, let me flip it over. Are they flipped? They are. I feel bad. Let me fix that. Wait, flip it over. There. Okay, everyone have fun time. Everyone have fun. Let's go in the fun run. Oh, forgot about that. What else like this? Yep, everybody's good. Let me move it. Okay, let's just move it a bit. Have fun, everybody. Oh no. No. Have fun. What the? I'm not even hurting anybody. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This one's gotta be terrible. Oh. Ah, shoot. They ruined the fun. What next? Well, let's have fun. Let's have fun in the fun with you. With you. Okay, we're stuck. We kinda got stuck. Oh. That was this guy. Oh my God. You're torturing people. Yes, this guy named for. Oh no.
What time your daddy coming?
I think 7:30. I think 6:30.
6:30?
Okay, how much more minutes? Oh, wrong button. Not wing. Wait. Wait. We have the perfect moment. We have a perfect moment. Okay, 99144. Nine 99115. Okay, here's something. Okay, 99996. Okay. Nine 9997, 9998. Okay. 9999. And happy 2600. Rich. Oh, I got perfect time to do this. Okay. Oh, this one is perfect. Oh, this is perfect for reaching my 6,000 goal. 6,000 goal actually. I'm just gonna destroy the circle real quick. I forgot, what does this button do? Want me on? Oh, frick. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Oh, no. I thought there was like this random bug in this game. Now you can go dance. You can go to dance And no, this guy. I feel like the floor is slippery right now, so I was like, I'm just wondering what is happening with my thing. What is happening? Where's the lava? Oh crap! Let me on! Ah! 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 Help! Help! Help me, stinky cat! Oh shoot! Ow! I'm flying! What just happened? I was flying! I'm looking at a fairy. Okay, 209. Dude. Oh, you think you're afraid of me? That's right! That's right! That's right! Stop! Stop what you're doing! Stop what you're doing! That's right! Stop what you're doing! That's right, Alex! Not Alex. Alex, stop. Where is he? Where? This kid. Oh my god, it's this kid. You should stop and die. Except for 2, anyways. Except for 2, that's more efficient. Wait, borrow this. Okay, now fix the problem. Okay, fix the problem, but the problem is I don't like these bricks. So I don't like these bricks. Stop. I got break. What? 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 Oh my god. Okay. Brickwork. Brickwork. Can we get up? Okay. Now, I hope you see you later from this next video, and time for us to relax.